let's talk today about multiplication of decimals. We'll take, let's see, 23 or 0.23 times 2.46. Okay. Now, how we do the decimals is a little different. We don't just drop the decimal point down. We have to account for the decimals in both the numbers. So the first thing we're going to do is do the operation just like we would if it was 23 times 246. No different. 3 times 6 is 18. 1 goes up. 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. Okay. 2 times 6, again, we do our placeholder just like we would if we were doing a problem without the decimals. 2 times 6 is 12. Okay. Carry the 1. 2 times 4 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. And then 2 plus 2 is 4. Now, this is where we can add our numbers up. Okay, 8 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 2 is 5. 7 plus 9 is 16. Carry the 1. 5. Now we need to decide where we're going to place our decimal. Okay, we start from here. We count 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we move to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's where our decimal is. We count up the number in the two numbers that we're multiplying and use that to help us place the decimal. Let's do one more example. Okay, 0.02 times, let's see, 6.23. Okay. Again, we do our multiplication. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 6 is 12. Put our placeholder here, a 0, whatever, because we're working this column. And it's 0 times 3. Obviously, these are all going to be zeros. We have 0, 0, 0, because 0 times 3 is 0, 0 times 2 is 0, and 0 times 6 is 0. Okay? 6, 4, 2, 1. Now, although this didn't seem to do too much because we multiplied 0 times this number, it is a factor in this problem because the placement of the decimal is going to affect the value of the answer. So again, we start here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's our answer. Okay, so let's have you go ahead and do this problem right here. Okay, so let's go through and make sure you got this right. First thing we do is do the operation just like we would any other time. Okay, 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 3 is 15. Carry the 1. 3 times 6 is 18. Plus 1 is 19. Put in our placeholder here. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15 again. And we carry the 1. 3 times 6, so it's 19. Add our numbers up. 11. 1 goes up 15. 1 goes up 11. 1, 2. Okay, then we count our decimals. We have 1, 2, 3 places. So we start here, 1, 2, 3. So that should be your answer. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, so try this one. We have 5.2 times 0.232. Okay, so go ahead and try it. Okay, let's check to see if your answer is correct. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. Put our placeholder in. 5 times 2 is 10. Carry the 1. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 1 is 16. Carry the 1. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. Add up our numbers. 10. Carry the 1. And now we count our places. We start here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that should be your answer for the second example.